Hello, everybody. It's day 8. Please give yourself a round of applause because you guys made it to day 8, which is awesome. Which is so cool. Yeah, I'm very excited for each of you. You guys are doing great. So, today it's going to be work, and we will take turns to work on everything. So, you guys remember what's the first one? Fixed costs, variable costs, and hidden costs. So I'm going to share the Excel sheet that I talked to you, that I showed you guys during the introduction. We're going to just go deeper into it. All right. So I'm just going to share it. Where is it? Okay. Let me just find it first, and then I'm going to share it. Yes, I found it. Here we are. Okay. Is everybody can see this? I will make it bigger. Okay, cool. Everybody can see this, right? So this I'm going to share this with you guys. So you guys need to go into depth with this. All right. So there are formulas that are already built in. So for example, let's do somebody's costing. Karuna, do you have a recipe in mind?
I have a recipe, but I did not work on any of those
That's
costing.
okay. That's okay. You just tell me and then we'll figure it out.
I
All
even
right.
don't know. I always like this walnut cake. Maybe you can
Walnut cake.
price. Yeah.
Which walnut cake is this? Date and walnut or
Okay. Can we do this banana cake?
yeah, banana.
Yeah, I love that one.
Banana walnut?
Just banana cake.
Just banana cake. Okay.
Yeah.
So what's are we doing complete for is it like 1,000 grams cake?
No, we'll go for 500 grams only.
Your recipe gives you 500 grams?
Like, you mean to say that how many I am going to bake?
Yeah, like whatever recipe that you have, no?
Mm-hmm.
How the final yield, how much is it in grams?
Okay.
Do you
That
get
would
two
be thousand.
500?
Yeah, 1,000 grams we can
You
consider.
get 1 kg, that is?
Yes, yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
1 kg.
Yes.
Now you got it? Now you understood. So for
Yes.
1 kg, how much flour are we using?
Mm-hmm. It will be same 1 kilo, I guess. I don't know the exact recipe. I'll just give it like that. I have to look
That's
at that.
fine. That's totally fine.
Yeah.
Can we switch to Rachel then?
Yes,
Rachel
yes.
knows the recipe.
Yes.
Yeah. Rachel, shall we do
Yes,
banana
Akka.
cake? Banana cake 1 kg. You know the recipe, no?
1 kg. Yeah.
Cheppu. Chalo, let's go.
1 second.
Uh-huh.
నేను ఎప్పుడు ½ kg అయి ట్రై కదా సో ఐ డబుల్ ఇట్.
Yeah, double it and tell me.
సో
So
ఇట్
make
ఈస్
that
2.
specification also. Make that specification. Are you making 2 loaves of 500 grams?
ఎస్.
Okay, let's do that then. Okay. Into
సో ఇట్స్ ½ kg యాక్చువల్లీ.
yeah. So one recipe yields 2 500 grams cakes, right?
ఎస్.
Yeah.
యా.
Got it? Okay. So flour, how much?
240 అక్క.
240 grams. Okay. 240 grams. And what is per kg?
91.
91. Nice. Baking powder?
బేకింగ్ పౌడర్ ఇస్ 2 teaspoons.
So that is 10 grams, no?
యా.
Yeah. Is it correct? Is 32 rupees correct?
ఎస్.
For 100 grams? Okay. 0.5.
యా.
Yeah. Salt also.
సాల్ట్ ఇస్ ½ teaspoon.
So that's 0.5 grams, no?
యా. అండ్ షుగర్ ఇస్.
One second. It's
Sorry.
2.5. Half a teaspoon is 2.5 grams. Yeah. Sugar is, are we using,
Sugar is 200 akka.
are you using white
It's
sugar
brown
or
sugar.
brown sugar? So then this will be 0, no? Cocoa powder also 0. Butter, are we using any butter?
1/4 cup akka.
1/4 cup will be how many grams? 60, how much is that? 63 grams, no? 62.5. We'll just round it off to 63. And did we get the cost correct? Are we doing 500 rupees
Yes.
per kg? Okay. Oil,
Oil is again 60 ml,
60 ml.
which is 1/4 cup.
1/4 cup. How much is it for a liter? Is it 120 or more than that?
More.
How much more?
180.
180, yeah? Okay, 180. Done. Eggs,
3 eggs.
3 eggs at what? Is it 80 rupees per dozen?
75.
75. Okay, there you go. Coffee,
No coffee.
no coffee, 0. Fruit,
Yes.
banana, no?
1 cup.
1 cup of, how many things?
Ante 2 bananas akka.
2 bananas is how much, Ray?
Okay.
Banana.
No, dozen is 70.
Okay, dozen is 70. There you go. I got that correct.
No milk. Curd is 120 ml or half cup.
Okay. Curd, how much is it per kg? 80 rupees? Is it correct? Correct. Okay. Corn flour, 0.
No.
Xanthan gum.
No.
If you're using eggs, you're not doing xanthan gum. Chocolate, you're not using. Fresh cream also, you're not using. Walnuts.
Yeah.
Uh,
100 grams.
okay, let's just. This is just banana cake. It's not
Okay,
banana
okay.
walnut. So we'll just do it at 0. Brown sugar is how much?
200 grams.
200 grams. Let's see, what is it? Is it 90 rupees per half kg? Is that the brown sugar that you're using?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Whole wheat, are you using any whole wheat?
No.
No, 0. Oats,
No.
cinnamon.
No. Oh, yeah.
Cinnamon you had, no? How much? 2.5?
Yeah.
2.5. Raisins,
No.
0. Okay, done. So
Yes.
just your ingredients, which is the variable cost, is coming up to 148.54416667. So we'll round it off to 49, right? 149. దీంట్లో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? Are there any doubts over here? You can unmute yourself and let me know.
No, it's good.
How are we getting the formula? Do you have any doubts about that, Elizabeth?
No, darling.
You're absolutely clear, no?
Absolutely.
100% clear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. So your variable costs have come off here, right? Next one, now this is packaging. Now packaging, is it variable cost or fixed cost?
It's variable.
Karuna, what do you think?
వేరియబుల్ ఎందుకు
Fixed,
నాకు అంటే డౌట్ ఉంది డౌట్ వేరియబుల్ అండ్ ఫిక్స్డ్ డౌట్ ఒక్కసారి క్లారిఫై
tell me.
Yeah, what is the variable cost that we are talking about?
Variable cost basically is the cost that keeps fluctuating depending on the number of orders that you have.
Okay.
So depending on like if you get an order, that means you will use that item. Only then you're going to buy it, right?
This is going to be fixed then.
What's that?
This is going to be fixed.
Packaging is fixed,
Yes.
Think about it. Packaging, you will only use a dabba when you get an order, no? Unnecessarily, why you'll use it?
Otherwise, how we will give? Even.
It'll be a variable cost, right? Even if you buy and keep in bulk, you will
Mm.
only use it when you're getting an order, no?
Oh, okay.
Understood?
Yes,
You
yes.
will not use it unless you get an order.
Right, right.
Unless, of course, you're making kites with it or whatever.
Yeah.
But only when you're getting an order is when you're using it. So that's called a
Right.
variable cost.
Yeah, yeah.
As opposed to let's say rent. When you
Mm.
when you rent a space out, whether you get an order or you do not get an order, you will still have to pay rent. You will
Mm.
still have to pay electricity.
Right.
Yeah, you will still have to pay the transport that you take from your house to the store or whatever. Like if you have like for me, whether I like it or not, whether I have an order or not, I have to go to my store.
Mm.
So transport is a fixed this thing, fixed
Mm.
cost. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Akka, not only that,
Tell me.
packaging, pratisari, it won't be the same cost also, kada. For a few months, it will be the same.
Yeah.
Even if we opt to buy different packaging again, again that
Yeah.
cost will change, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So that so when you're doing that, it's not called. It doesn't work under fixed or variable. Okay,
Mm.
that is not the variable we are talking about. We are talking about the variable where when orders come in, is my packaging also getting used?
Okay.
Okay. See what kind of packaging that is according to that is according to the season. That is not the variability that we are talking about.
Then what is that called?
That is fixed only.
Okay.
Okay. That is not, no, 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 actually, that's not fixed. That is still variable only, but it is, but you're using a different kind of packaging. That will not come under cost. That will come under, I'll tell you what it will come under. It will come under your branding.
Okay.
Adayana?
Yeah.
Is that making sense?
Yeah.
So you are making changes in your branding when you go for a different packaging.
Mm.
But the cost, when you're calling it the cost will be variable cost.
Got it.
Yeah? Okay, so cake board box. Are you using a cake board for this?
No,
No, so that will be 0. Box.
depend if the customer wants.
So tell Nore,
Oh. Yeah,
how much is the box?
35.
35. Bag,
Yes,
how much is it?
10.
10. Knife,
No,
0. Sticker,
3 rupees.
card,
No,
0. Butter paper,
yes.
yeah. How much is it? How much are you using butter paper?
Oh, one sheet is 10, so quarter, 2 rupees akka.
2.5, Papa.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you got this. Now it's all added up here. 50 rupees is your packaging. 50.5 is your packaging. Yeah? So now we are going to, what are these now?
Fix it.
These, yeah, fixed these.
These are not just fixed. It's a combination of fixed and hidden costs.
Hidden. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Mm.
So how much labor are we putting? Now you think about it. You think about, you really delve into it deep. 50 for making a banana cake, do you need more than half an hour if you're
No,
doing everything right?
no.
You don't need, right? Is it a skillful thing? Are you doing skillful labor over here?
Yeah.
Are you doing skillful labor over here?
I say no, no, no.
Huh?
No, I say no.
No, right? You're actually not doing the highly skillful labor. Like if you're, for example, you are decorating a cake.
No, no, we are not.
Understood now? So,
Hmm.
for example, if I have to say a layered cake, if I'm doing over here layered cake, let's say layered cake is someone ko ikkada. Not only am I making the cake, but I'm also making the icing, and I'm also making the labor is going into what the actual
Decorating.
decoration part also. So that is skillful labor. So it will be a combination of labor and so you can do a bracket over here and say regular. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little bigger, and I'll add a row above, and I'll make it labor skillful. So you can have two sets of what do you call
Labor cost.
yeah, two sets of costs over here. So that way this skillful labor is also slightly hidden, but we are putting it in. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. So that way over here in banana walnut cake, there's anybody can make it. So I'm not putting any skillful labor over here. Okay. Electricity not just for the baking time. So again over here we'll do fixed, and we'll do another insert row, and we'll do, see, even I am tweaking it a lot as I'm learning with you. Electricity hidden. What is this hidden?
Preheating cost.
Preheating cost, when your lights are on unnecessarily, all those things. Can we add like at least can we add like 1% of the cost of the cake at least? This one? Can you see this? 148, right? We'll use at least 1% to 2% of this. What do you think?
Yeah.
We can, right? So what is the formula for it? Let's do the formula. Okay, I need to minimize this. Is equals to, let's see over here, what is the formula? 327 times 5 by 100. Okay, so we are doing 1%. No, we are, what is this? D27 times how much? What shall we do? 1% or 2%? I'll do 1%. Okay. Yeah, and equals. Arey, is equal to chahilega. How come I'm not getting it? Oh, this is equal to Betlem. Yeah. So how much did we add? 1 rupee we added. Yeah. Equipment and maintenance is how much? Equipment and maintenance is 5 to 10%. I think over here we added only 5%, right? Do you feel like you need more maintenance?
Maintenance of what?
Maintenance of your you need to, for every cake that you're baking, like for every banana cake that you're making, you need to take this money out, 7.42 out, and put off in another space, so that you will, maybe right now you're not you don't need money for repair, but there will come a time when you will have to repair it. Where are you going to take the money out of? Yeah, it makes sense. Am I making sense to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now think about, if I need to time will keep going on, maintenance will definitely, whether you're going to use it or not use it, you will have to pay for maintenance, right? Correct?
Yes.
So
Yes.
now you look at all these hidden costs and see, oh, in a year's time, I will need this much money to maintain it. Understood? So you have to make that money in a year, no? So then you will figure out how many banana cakes you'll have to sell. Now are you understanding the backward math? Am I making
Your video is getting stuck.
okay? Am I making sense to you guys? Like
Just
for example, let's say for your entire year, you will need 20,000. 20,000 for maintenance, correct? So per cake you're getting to 7, right? How many cakes do you need to sell? Let's say you're getting 8 rupees. How many cakes do you need to sell for you to make the 20,000 for maintenance? What do you need to do? Tell. Simple math now this is. Work it out, people.
2,500.
Two, 2,500. 20,000 divided by 8 is 2,000. So you in a year's time you'll need to make 2,500 cakes.
What the heck, Akka?
Understood now?
Yeah.
I'm just saying, if it is just banana bread, Ray,
Okay.
you're not just having banana bread, no?
Yes.
Yeah, but do you understand how? So now you know, oh, that many cakes I have to make. So you'd rather spend money. You'd rather think of, oh, and if I sell cakes that are high, that are costlier, what will happen? I will get 5% of that costly cake, right? Will I reach my 20,000 faster with a costlier cake, or will I reach 20,000 faster with a cheaper banana cake?
Costly cake.
Understood now? Why am I constantly saying you see, when you figure out pricing, no, you will figure out everything else. Pricing is your backbone. Okay? So similarly, you will need to set aside transport also. Transport also, we figured it out somewhere around 5 to 8%. So if you feel like you're spending a lot more money on transport, go up till 8%. No, not an issue at all. Yeah. Licenses, it is you spend around how much for your FSSAI per year? You're spending around 15
2,500.
2000, huh?
2,500.
2,500. See, again the math is also working out. Again, to if you have to make 20,000 and you not 20,000, sorry, 2,500, and you're getting 1 rupee per cake. How many cakes do you have to make? 2,500 cakes. Understood now? Karna, am I losing you?
I'm here, Dolly. I'm
Yeah.
following.
Are you
Yeah.
able to understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. How about you, Elizabeth? Are you able to understand it?
Yes, doll.
Okay, great. So see, when you work out math like that, when you work it out to, oh, 2,500 is a number. Understood?
Yes.
It just makes sense.
Mm.
Yeah. Rent could be a little higher. You could almost go to 15 to 20% also, because we need a little more rent, no, per thing.
Right.
Yeah, and miscellaneous, what is miscellaneous? Miscellaneous is nothing but all those extra little things that you're like, when you're wastage we talked about. We can go a little higher
Mm.
over here also.
Right.
Yeah. See, right now I put these at a lower things, right? So you get an entire thing of 98 rupees point 22. So let's add them all together. Let's add them all together. What is your total cost? 297 rupees. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, and let's round it off to what? 300 rupees.
Mm.
Yeah, 300 rupees. So if I'm putting 150% profit, how much profit? 150% profit. My calculated price is 750.
Mm-hmm.
What is 150% profit? 300 times 150 divided by 100. So that will be 450. Your 450 rupees is your profit. And if you're adding it, and you got 750, and you're like 500 grams of oh, this is not even for 500 grams. This is how much for 1 kg. Understood?
Mm.
You're doing it for 1 kg. You're getting two loaves of 500 grams of
Mm.
banana cake. So so if your calculated selling price is 750 for 1 kg, don't you think it is still cheap?
Yes.
It is definitely cheap, right? So then
Mm.
when you're looking at it like that, that is your calculated selling price, but your suggested selling price, where does it come from?
from the market.
Yeah, market analysis. Good job, Varna. Good job. So you will know where to price your cake.
Hmm.
Understood? So your profit margin can be anywhere from 30% all the way to 150%. So if you feel like, oh, this is a lot of profit margin, you can increase the costs here. You can play around with costs over here.
Hmm.
Understood? You can
Yes.
play around, you don't want to play around costs over here. Why? Because you want to keep this low. Because this is going out of your pocket. You want to keep your variable, you want to keep your variable costs low. You want to keep your fixed and hidden costs little higher. Why? Because at some point of time, what happens when you hit the 2,500 rupee, 2,500 cakes, you have paid for everything over here. Yes.
Yeah.
What happens when you make 3,000 cakes? What will happen to the all the money that you are piling up for fixed for all these overheads, fixed costs and hidden costs? What will happen to that? Are you understanding my question?
Yes, yes. It will remain the same, no, Dolly.
What will remain the same?
Fixed
It
and
it will change it.
It will change. See, we figured out that for you to make all the fixed costs and the hidden costs for a month, let's say for a month, right?
Hmm.
You need to end up making, let's say, 2,000 cakes you'll have to make. But you did so well, that you made 3,000 cakes.
Hmm.
What will happen then? You're still getting money for fixed costs. At 2,000 cakes, your fixed costs are all paid for. Your
Yes.
hidden costs are all paid for.
Making profit.
Got it now?
Hmm.
So you can go ahead and increase this. This is not a problem, but try to keep the costs of the variable costs very low. Is it making sense?
Yes.
And dundi kada in pricing.
Oh no.
So if you guys get very familiar with this, you'll be able to do the math in your head like that and come up with costs. Yeah?
Hmm.
So then you will know how much you need to push towards marketing. How much? What is your capacity? If your capacity is coming close to, yes, my overheads are, like my hidden costs, my fixed costs are getting not just paid for, but I'm having surplus. That is the time you move out of the house. Until then, stay in the house. Is it making sense?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to stop recording also.